This video will help you zip a file for computer science and submit it. I'm in my File Explorer for Windows, and I'm going to go ahead and zip this Hello by Functions. I can see this is a Python file because I have the Python symbol here. And so I'm going to right click on it, go to Send to, Compressed Zipped Folder. The folder is now zipped, and I am able to now upload that folder to the assignment. I go to Tools, Assignments. I find the assignment that I'm going to submit to. And then I am now ready to go ahead and upload that assignment. Add a file. Go to my computer. I'm going to upload. I'm going to go back to my folder where I did that zipping. I'm going to find, and I'm going to click Open, and I'm going to click Add, and then I am ready to go ahead and submit that file.